Well, I'm going to admit defeat and say that my fiberglass job was a fail. As I said before, it was my first time. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know if I was doing it right or wrong. Maybe I didn't put enough hardener in. Maybe it was too cold, as someone told me after I was already finished that you weren't supposed to do it when it's only 40 some degrees Fahrenheit outside. So it might not have set right because of that. Or maybe I missed the spots. But right here, you can see where I did little Sharpie arrows going down. That's where some water was coming in. I did a leak test yesterday by spraying it with a hose. So those spots are where it just trickles down, kind of like a tear running down your cheek. So I'm going to leave this to someone else. Manny is going to do this for me on the outside. I tried to do it on the inside because it wouldn't show once I put the wall covering up. But I'm not comfortable doing it on the outside. So I'm going to let Manny take care of that for me. So I'll show you where it's coming in at. So right here, let me give you a view of the back. Okay, so it sat under trees for a couple years with no covering on it. Getting the light replaced also. Okay, so down here, brighten up a little bit. So right here you can see these dark spots here and here. These are holes. That's where the water is actually coming in. Across here there's more, and then up at the top there's one here, some here. So we're going to get this taken care of because I can't move forward with finishing the wall covering. You know, I did the wall covering on the front half. I got the Reflectix up for some of it, but I can't move forward with the back until I get the leaks fixed. So around here, also on the front top corner, there's a damaged spot. So the previous owner said that a tree hit it, and that's what that damage is from. So that's also going to get fixed so it doesn't get any worse. So that is today's video. I tried, it failed, but I still feel like it was a win because I tried something I hadn't done before. So next time I'll read the directions, just in case it was the temperature issue. And just want to ask you to please give my video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and please subscribe. I am almost to 1,000, and I would love to have 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal, because then I get a community tab where I can post little updates. So tell a friend, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe. It's totally free, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.